Welcome to Moments. Today we'll be having a house tour in this gorgeous property in Lavington. It is called Moments. Why Moments? Let's try to figure it out. Come. Upon entering, you will be greeted with this nice courtyard. Look at that one, it's so amazing. So it has double volume and it has like black bamboos with a nice sculpture in the middle. Then we finish this area with a nice polished pebbles. And also to balance it out, we cladded this platform in a back painted black gloss. These are real, actually. It's so nice. Then across this area, you will have your shelving units, which is like so functional. You can put the things that is not needed like on this area, and all your aesthetic will be on these open shelves that has lights. On both sides of this panel, the marble panel, we've used a perlata paint effect, which is really nice, that gives a depth and warmth on this area, because as you can see, we have a very white floor that gives a cold feeling. So what we did here is we balance it out with the paints, with the color of the woods, with the furnitures. Like this couch, we've used, typically we've been using light colored couches. But in here, since we have white floor, we just take advantage of the scenario that we have like white floor, so we can just do like a dark couch, which is really nice. It is like very modern, and it has two materials that is blending together, which is your leather and also your fabric. Then on the FF&E, what we were trying to do is like we place a color palette that has like freshness. At the same time, it has this glam feel. So we've used like a combination of your linens and also your velvets on the sheer, which is really nice. We've used this very organic linen type of fabric. So we've draped this double volume windows with this really fresh linen. As I mentioned earlier, the challenge of this house is the layout. So on that corner, which I'm gonna be showing you, we've tried to use like a partition, but not really a partition. It's a decorative partition which has like it's a glass shelving unit. It is finished with matte black metals, and also we put emphasis on this feature by placing spotlights on the bottom so that it leads shelves towards up and cast shadow as well. So actually the key design of this property was the lighting and how it reacts with nature. So we really wanted to play around with the visuals. It's not only the furnitures or the finishes, but it's how people will live here and how nature will react on it. Like for example, the casting of the shadows, the impacts of the lights, as well ambience lighting on the walls, in which is really cool, especially at night. Then on this area, we have the dining area, in which it's so cool because it's so fresh. have like a lounge here on your dining area. Take note. So we just decided to have like a tea area here, which is really nice. So yeah, we have this two swivel chair here. Like you can have your tea, you will have your small talks. It's really nice. And look at this artworks. These artworks are amazing. We balance the design with the marble finish on your countertop, backsplashes, with your slatted wood details and your lacquers. The main feature of this one, I think, is the ceiling. The ceiling have this slats gypsum ceiling with we place again an ambience lighting around it. We've designed this island to be, it has two purposes. It serves as a bar area or a breakfast area. So we put this island in the middle of the kitchen so that it gives you a transition from a wet area to a dry area. A stool here where the mother is like cooking. She can entertain her friends when she have like visitors. It's a really nice feature. So we've decided to combine all the materials from your cabinets to your lower cabinets and your backsplashes to build this island. So in this area you can see the lacquer finish, but in this area you have your fluted canopy. So there's a magic on this kitchen. I'll show you. Everyone is like asking, oh, is that their kitchen? It's so small, right? Even me, when I came here, like, so small. But there's a secret room. So we suggested to the developer to have a second kitchen. So where's the second kitchen? Show me. Where? You want to guess? Okay, so on this one, we've made use of the slots door to hide this second kitchen. So the second kitchen will give you the basics. You have your dishwasher, you have your sink, the double sink, you have your cooker here, your microwaves, your second fridge, and also the most important thing here is you have more ample spaces for your cutleries, for your glasses. So it's very well thought and it's very nice area to cook your food. Right? So while waiting for your cake or cookies, while you're baking, you can browse your magazine here, right? It's a really nice nook. This area is like really zen. We have this wall brackets here that gives you that ambience of like dreamy and zen. You're on the kitchen, but you don't feel like you are in the kitchen. You know what I mean?